Totalove versus Norton 2025. Which antivirus is best for your protection? Choosing antivirus software in 2025 is crucial, but Totalove and Norton are often confused. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on price. Totalove offers malware scanning, real-time protection, VPN access and performance optimization tools. You won't believe what happens next. It's lightweight, making it ideal for PCs that need security without slowing down performance. Norton provides robust antivirus, identity theft protection, firewall, VPN, and cloud backup. Unlike Totalove, it's geared toward comprehensive security for multiple devices and families. Pricing differs. Totalove is often cheaper, but may require renewal vigilance to avoid price jumps. Norton offers tiered plans with extra features for families or businesses. Though, which is best? For lightweight, efficient protection with basic extras, Totalove works well. For full-featured, multi-device, family-friendly protection, Norton is smarter. The surprising truth is that the best antivirus depends on your device's risk level and whether you want extras like VPNs or identity protection included.